Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send gifts to someone in Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Then tap on the chat option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Open the chat of the person that you'd like to send gift. To send gifts to someone in Tango, tap on the gift-like icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select the gift. In order to send gift to someone, you need to have coins. If you don't have enough coin to send gift, clear the payment, and you'll be able to send gift to someone in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.